Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a girl named Lily who loved to paint. One day, while exploring the forest, she found a sparkling paintbrush under an oak tree. When she picked it up, it shimmered with magical light. Excited, Lily rushed home to try it out. To her amazement, whatever she painted came to life. She painted a butterfly, and it fluttered off the canvas. She painted a rainbow, and it arched across the sky. The entire village soon gathered to see Lily's magical creations. She painted gardens, rivers, and even a playground for the children. The village became more beautiful and joyful than ever. One day, a dark cloud covered the village, bringing gloom. Lily painted the brightest sun she could imagine. The sun shone brightly, chasing away the dark cloud and filling the village with warmth and happiness. From then on, Lily used her magic paintbrush to spread joy and beauty, reminding everyone that a little magic and creativity can change the world. The village lived happily ever after, cherishing the magic Lily brought into their lives.